Boom! What is up, Wanderers? We are back with another one-take bag review. We got a fun one today. We are talking about the Bookpack. And this is from Dispatch. That is spelled DSPTCH, Dispatch without the vowels. So no vowels, it's a consonant-only company. And this is a gorgeous bag that I've had my eye on for a long time, and I've been wanting to do a review on it. Recently went on sale. I do have to let you know, if you're watching this review like within hours after this thing came out, the Bookpack is sold out on Dispatch's site right now, but stay tuned. And what I really want to talk about today is not necessarily this specific bag, but I really just want to introduce the company Dispatch to you so that you can go check out the website, and we'll talk about all kinds of other bags that they have on that website as well. But you know what we do on this channel. We do one-take bag reviews. We're going to walk through the exterior of this backpack. We're going to walk through the interior of this backpack, all the nooks and crannies and pockets. We'll get into all the details. At the end of that walkthrough, we're going to do two things that I love about the bag, two things not so much, and then an overall recommendation should you try and get your hands on a Bookpack from Dispatch, or frankly any of their other bags. So let's talk first exterior. This thing is made out of really, really intense ballistic nylon. It is a green colorway. They have black, gray, navy, and green at full stock levels. I'm hoping they restock this thing soon for everybody, but it is a gorgeous bag. Now, this one has been around for a while, a couple of years as a design, and I think it's really kind of a classic look. It's really, I would say, typical backpack, but kind of reinterpreted and reinvented. And we'll get into the reinterpretation and reinvention here in a minute. What do you have going on? You have compression straps that can double as like little jacket holder, etc. on the bottom of the bag. The whole thing is made out of this olive ballistic nylon. You've got one main zipper concealing the main pack, one pocket up front that we'll get into. You've got an attachment point on this side and an attachment point on this side. And then you've got some really great stuff going on back here, like a very nice harness for a bag of this size, a beautiful handle that is a real joy to grab. And then, you know, this harness, like I said, it's really overbuilt for this has got to be like a 15-liter bag. They don't describe their bags in terms of liters on the website, but it's about a 15-liter day pack, minimalist for sure. But yeah, it's a really nice harness system. I hope you can see just how comfortable that kind of looks. It is as comfortable as it seems it would be. It's a squared off pattern, kind of what you would see from a lot of the more classic backpack brands. And it's got a real nice overall visual appeal. It does have an interesting kind of silhouette here. If you look, you've got the packet, the little pocket here sticks out from the front of the bag, but not all the way to the bottom. So there's like this kind of just pot belly on the backpack, and I think it's got a cool, friendly feel to it because of that. Let's talk about this front pocket here. So now we're going to move from the exterior walkthrough to the interior. Did you see that? Did you hear that? That is magnets. Okay, so you've got this kind of slide and release magnets on the pocket itself. Click, pull down, open, click, pull down, open. You know, very, I think, satisfactory mechanism to get into this front pocket. And in the front pocket itself, you have, it's stretchy, first off. This whole front pocket here stretches, which pulls it tight against the bag when it's closed because it doesn't zipper, so you don't want things to be slipping and falling out. So that's a really neat touch, this stretchiness of the front pocket. You've got the front section here, and I've put in there just my AirPods and flashlight, just some knickknacks, worry stone, and some chapstick. And then you have a pocket here for kind of wallet sized. And I've got my blank canvas accessories donut wallet in there. Then you've got a couple, just another pocket over here that I've tossed in. Knickknacks, pocket knife, etc. Okay, so Got some good stuff in there. It's nice as a pocket. It's not over organized. You've got two slip pockets, both about the size of a, not quite a little bigger than a pack of playing cards, we'll say. And then the front pocket itself just does have this nice bulge and dimension to it. Very usable front pocket, very easy with these magnets to get in and out of. I like it a lot. That is the only exterior pocket on this bag. This is a very minimalist bag. And for those that appreciate minimalist design, yeah, I think you're really going to enjoy what's going on with this one. All right, this is not a full clamshell bag. It's got a bit of a flop over here. On the inside of the front flap of the bag, you have a dense mesh pocket, one zipper, and I've put in there just some quick access items, pens and some Advil and some my blue light blocking glasses, but really easy to get to pocket. Not a ton of space or volume to it, but yeah, useful. Then you have the main compartment here, and it's, you know, roomy but not big. So it's not so small that it's unusable. I've got some items with dimension in here. This is a random knick-knack bag from Green Room 136. And I've dropped it in as a tech carrier in this bag. So a little bag within a bag action going on to provide some organization. Got my gimbal in here with the tripod attached to it. So you've got pretty good amount of space here. So let me flip this around and show you. It's a usable space. You're talking about the size of, you know, one folded pullover or jacket in there. So you're not putting a ton of changes of clothes. You're not carrying everything you own, but you can very easily carry, you know, one tech item and one small organizing pouch or bag in this pocket very easily. Then you have a little tablet or document slip holder. I've tossed in here again an organizer. So this is from Alpaca, just slipped right in there. That's got a first aid kit in it. And then in the back, you've got a 15-inch laptop sleeve. I've tossed in my 11-inch iPad Pro and Magic Keyboard, but this is big enough for a 15-inch laptop. It is cushioned and it is secured with this little Duraflex buckle here. Easy peasy. That's it. That's the bag. There's not a ton for us to go over on this one because it is a simple design. And I've got to say, I'm overall like really pleased with the usability of this bag. Now, let's talk about two things we like and two things we think could be better about this bag, the Bookpack from Dispatch. The first thing that I love about this bag is the harness system on the back of the bag. So very, very kind of overbuilt for a bag this size. It's very comfortable and it looks great when you're wearing it. Like it's got just the right amount of dangle, not too much. Everything is adjustable at the top and the bottom. Yeah, it's a really comfortable backpack harness system. The straps are great, the padding is good, and it's just right for the volume of bag, and it just looks great. Yeah, really attractive bag. The second thing I really love about this bag is this front pocket. I was thinking when I first ordered this bag that missing kind of a top pocket here or a top pocket here, something a little easier to grab from when you set the bag down at your feet, I thought I would really miss that, but this pocket is just so fun with these magnets. So easy to use, and the volume of the stretchy pocket itself and the simple organization inside of it, I found that it was just right. So it's a great, great usable EDC pocket there, and you can very easily just toss what you need into that pocket. I love that front pocket. Chef's kiss for the people at Dispatch. That is a cool pocket, and just visually, I think it's what sets this bag off. It's just, I think, a very attractive bag, and the way that front pocket just kind of bulges out a little bit gives it that really unique profile. Yeah, really, really enjoy that. Okay, two things I don't like as much or would do differently with this bag. The first one is a really simple one, and that's this back handle here. So I don't know why this seems to be a trend lately. This handle is, it's insanely comfortable. It is a great handle. It's just on the back of the bag, which means that when you hold it, the bag swings really funnily? Yeah, why not? We'll go with it. why not put it on the top of the bag? Grab the bag, hold the bag. I would like that. It's not terrible, it's not bad, it's not broken, but I think it would be even a little bit more attractive and nicer to carry the bag from the top, okay? So that's something I found myself wanting with this bag. The second thing that I would change about this bag, and it's a simple thing, is I would add one more pocket. So a lot of bags this shape and size have two pockets on the inside here. This pocket's great. I mean, honestly, it's really usable. It's very good. I would have added one more pocket on the interior here, just a little bit more interior storage. I did find myself having to add multiple bags to this bag just to keep storage organized. So if you're a bag within a bag person, that's not going to be a big deal for you. It's actually going to be kind of appealing to you. One more pocket, I think, would have made all the difference in this bag. But that being said, this is a great bag. I really enjoyed using it. The material itself is really nice. The simple design is great. And it's not more than it needs to be. It's the right size for a day pack. It's, for somebody who just wants to carry their MacBook, their headphones, a couple of chargers, and, a notepad and some pens. Man, this is great, and it is a sexy looking bag too. So all in all, great bag. I bought it on sale for $130. Normally this bag is north of $150. Let's talk about that. So Dispatch has some incredible bags on their site. So I'll link to this bag, so when it comes back into stock, you can get it. But also, I'll link to some of the other bags that I really enjoy on their site, especially some of their sling bags and tote bags, which are really innovative. So check out their stuff. I think you'll be really impressed with the quality. You'll also be, honestly, a little dismayed with the price point on some of the stuff, but this is high quality materials. They clearly are employing designers to make these bags. Like this is not generic stuff. They have real designers working hard to create unique items and clothing and bags. So I think you'll be really impressed. So check out the bags at Dispatch. This one is a recommended buy for me for people looking for a very minimalist city tech carry. Okay, so this is kind of a go to the coffee shop kind of bag. This is a replace a sling with a laptop kind of, or with a backpack kind of bag, because you just want a backpack instead of a sling. But it's still very minimalist, and it's still, I think, super modern, and I think would really go with a lot of, creator carries. So that all being said, I hope you can get your hands on one if you like it. I enjoyed using this bag. Dispatch, keep up the great work. Really enjoyed looking at your bags and hope to get a chance to check out one of the slings in the near future as well. So great bag. I give it 2 thumbs up, seal of approval. But like I said, right now it's sold out. So bummer on that, but I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough, and I hope you enjoyed looking at the rest of Dispatch's bags. Everybody, thank you so much for watching. That's it for now. We will see you next time.